Hello, I'm Dawn and I'm the playgroup leader from Ladybirds. We're going to show you a tour of the nursery and some of the measures we put in place recently for when you come back.
So as you can see, we are situated on Court Road. We are just opposite the multi-storey car park. You'll need to walk up Court Road towards one of the entrances into Holton Road School. And as Dawn has just said now, there are markings on the floor that need to be adhered to. A member of staff will come down and meet you at the end of the walkway and take your child up to playgroup. So we'd just like you to walk up the path. As you can see, as we get closer to the gate, there will be a yellow marking on the floor. We would like you just to wait here, and a member of staff will open the gate and take your child from here. This is Gabby. Yeah, so we'll take your child from you and we'll walk them through our garden. We are very lucky, we have got an outside garden. We've got some things set up at the minute. It will be more set up for when all the children are in. We will follow the path around. We will bring your children in this way. And up and through the main entrance.
Hi, I'm Sophie.
So this is where the children will come. They'll hang their coats and bags on the pegs provided. A member of staff who has brought them in then will take them through to the children's bathroom area. They'll wash their hands and dry them, and then we'll continue into the playgroup. This is the kitchen area where the children's snack will be prepared, and we'll go through to the playgroup now. This is Sophia. This is the main playgroup. This is where the children will be able to choose freely where they and what they want to play with. We're very lucky with the large indoor space that we have. We've got lots of loose parts that link in with the curiosity approach that we are implementing at the minute. This is our second area of the indoor playgroup. This is our snack area. We do roll and snack. Children can come and go as they please, having snack when they choose. This is our messy area. Sand, water, Play-Doh will be in this area, but not at the moment due to our restrictions. This is our role play area, with quiet areas such as the book corner, times that the children can come and have time to themselves. Our kitchen home corner area, some fancy dress or dressing up, and some puzzles and fine motor skills that they can develop with different activities.
We're all looking forward to seeing you on your start date.